Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. In today's video, I will be showing you a few of the succulents I have produced over the months, and it is a succulent. In the lockdown period, gardening has been such a therapy, and yeah, so I got a few of the succulents and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So let's get started. So this plant had been on my wish list for the longest time, and finally I was able to get it this time. I like the weird look of this plant. I will list the name of the plants in the description box for reference. You can check it out. Another weird looking plant from my wish list has been fulfilled, and super excited to have this one. This is called as Medusa's head, and yes, it's a very fast grower. I have noticed the growth in 1 month time, and yeah, very happy. So this plant looks like an angel, and what the seller told me was this is known as fallen angel. I'm not very sure about the ID, so if you know, you can leave it in the comment section. But this is a very beautiful plant. Just love the variegation. So this is the second time I'm purchasing this plant and this Graptoveria. The first one had reverted back to its original color, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this plant stays the way it is and doesn't lose its variegation. I just love the rich color on this plant and can't wait for it to grow bigger. And this is another Crassula. I'm just adding few Crassulas to my collection, so let's see. Another plum succulent. Not sure about the ID, but if you're familiar with it, please leave it in a comment section. I would love to know the name of the succulent. What attracted me most about this succulent is its color. It's maroon in color and it's compact. Another succulent that attracted me because of its structure. So that was the succulent haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be coming up with more succulent haul in my future videos, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more such contents, and if you did enjoy this video, do give it a like.